as you are very well known, we have discussed about the balancing of the chemical equations in our previous video. Now we are discussing about the types of the chemical reactions. How many types of the chemical reactions are there? There are several types of the chemical reactions. Number one, combination reaction. We take a very simple examination to understand this type of the reactions. Here A and B reacts together and formed AB. As you are very well known, this is the product and these are the reactants. Here we see two or more elements or compounds when combines and to form a single product that are known as combination reaction. In this type of reaction, a single product is formed like here A and B are the reactants which reacts together and to form AB is the product. So it is the simple representation of the chemical combination reactions. We are discussing about the some examples which are gives in your NCERT books. In that book, carbon, in this example, carbon reacts with oxygen and to form carbon dioxide. It is the carbon dioxide, which is a gas, and here we can write carbon and oxygen form carbon dioxide. Another example, we can take hydrogen reacts with oxygen and it forms water. We can balance this equation: 2H2, 2H2, 2O2, 2O2, 2O, 2H2O. So this is the example. These are the examples of the combination reaction. In all these examples, you can see a single product is formed. So here we can see the this type of the reactions, usually also known as the reactions required heat. So these are the endothermic reactions, exothermic reactions. Types of combination reaction. There are mainly three types of the combination reactions. Number one, element reaction between two or more element. Number two, reaction between two compounds, and another number 3 is reaction between element and compounds. Element and compounds. First of all, we take the type reaction between two or more elements, like as example sodium. It is an element in the, this is the solid form, and another is chlorine element, Cl2. When these two elements are reacts together and to form a single substance or single product, sodium chloride, it is in the form of gas, sodium chloride. Chlorine is also gas, sodium is solid, and now we can balance this equation: 2 NaCl, Na2, 2 Na, Cl2, 2 NaCl. Now another example, sulfur reacts with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is gas, oxygen gas, sulfur solid. So these all reactions are the example of the reaction between two or more elements. Now we are taking the second type of the chemic combination reactions, that is reaction between two compounds. In this type of the reaction, two compounds reacts with each other and to form a new substance or new compound. In this example, calcium oxide reacts with carbon dioxide gas and to form calcium carbonate. It is the solid, carbon dioxide gas, CaO, calcium oxide, solid. In this reaction, we can see there are two compounds, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide, reacts together and form a single compound, calcium carbonate, calcium carbonate, which is the solid form. And now we are discussing about the third type of the combination reaction, reaction between element and compound. In this type of reaction, we can take this example: oxygen reacts with carbon monoxide gas and formed carbon dioxide gas. Now we can balance this equation: O2, here is 2, 2, 1, 2 CO2, 2 CO. Now it is the balanced. So this is oxygen element and carbon monoxide compound. carbon monoxide, and to form carbon dioxide gas. So these are the some types of the combination reactions. Now we are discuss about the decomposition reaction. Position reaction. Decomposition reaction. In this reaction, a single product or a compound breaks down into two or more elements or compounds. This type of reaction is known as decomposition reaction, or you can say those reactions in which a compound breaks down into two or more substances are called decomposition reactions. In these reactions, exactly opposite. These reactions are exactly opposite to the combination reactions. In this case, decomposition reactions breaks into two new substances. Here, example we take BC is a compound and it breaks down into B and C. Now we are discussing about the type of decomposition reaction. First is thermal decomposition. Second is electrolytic decomposition. Third is photo decomposition. So here, as you can understand by the names, that this is the thermal decomposition. It means a chemical reaction where a single substance like this is breaks down into two or more elements. So these are the reactions in which the heat is generally required. So these are the endothermic reactions, and we can say here we provide some heat to break down these substances into various elements or compounds. So these are the endothermic reactions. These are the endothermic reactions. We can take a thermal example of thermal decomposition. Calcium carbonate breaks down into, after providing the heat, it breaks down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide, you can say it is the quicklime, and carbon dioxide gas. This is the solid form of calcium carbonate. Now another example, reaction. You can say in other words, this is the electrolysis. We can take a simple example, water, electric current. It gives hydrogen and oxygen both are in gas form. Here water is in liquid form. We can now balance this equation: H2, H2, O2, O2, 2H2O and 2H2. This is now balanced. So this is the example of the electrolytic decomposition reaction when water is decomposed into two various elements of this compound, hydrogen and oxygen, when we give the heat in the form of electric current. So this is the example. And now another example of photodecomposition reaction. In this type of reaction, decomposition takes place in the presence of sunlight when AgCl, silver chloride, keeps in sunlight. It decomposes into Ag and Cl2. Here we want to balance this equation: 2AgCl, 2Ag and Cl2. So this is the example of the photo decomposition reaction. So here we are described this type of the reactions, and the balanced, or you can say the decomposition reactions and other types of the reactions are in my next video. Thank you.